My name is Dyson. I'm the director here at GWM. I'm responsible for design. It's great to be here live on this stream with you today to explain the design thinking behind the 2025 ORA Cat. This car has a very unique style, as you all know, that stands out and is different. We are aware that our Cat owners are not willing to drive one of those stereotype normal cars. They want their cars to be unique, full of personality, distinctive in style. Meanwhile, as a designer, I was deeply influenced by the European design trends of the 60s and 70s. I always loved that era, when European design was renowned for its rounded shapes, its positive attitude, also symbolizing freedom and vitality. From that era, some of the most beautiful cars were designed, with very rounded contours, fenders that were deeply sculpted. I often refer to these classic designs almost as a piece of art, classic and timeless. Design is very important in this aspect. It means a design evolves through time and is the opposite of fashion. Fashion comes and goes, but a classic design is always fresh and does not devalue in time. You can also look at this in a more general way. The circle is symbolized by the solar system, the planets, and the spheres that orbit around the sun. Or, to put it another way, you imagine I'm standing next to a lake. It's got very still water. Then I throw a small stone into it, throw it across, and it creates these ripples throughout the surface of the water. It's very beautiful. The effect of those rounded ripples is natural and dynamic. These circular ripples are inspiration for the ORA design DNA. The round shapes can be seen everywhere on the design of the Cat. The headlamps of the 2025 Cat still retain its signature round design from the cat. Like the personality, it's friendly, instantly recognizable, and a symbol or focal point for the front of the car. Those ripples from the lake also helped create the rounded profile of the car. That it's almost similar to the airflow going over the surfaces. We take great care to improve the aerodynamic performance and have worked meticulously with our engineering colleagues, particularly in these new beautifully integrated air vents on the front. They allow air to pass through and exit out of the wheel arch. This improves the aerodynamic performance, efficiency, and makes the whole body even more slippery than before. This enhances the driving range and improves cooling for the front brakes. Also, the lower grille is widened, giving a more sporty look. We have taken great care of how the bumper is designed. Like those classic cars I mentioned, we have pursued for a perfect surface by playing with light and shadow, as you can see on the front of the cars. It's a beautiful three-dimensional effect, and it complements the overall design. We believe that good design is about ultimate simplification. We focused on achieving a truly functional design while being almost seamless and looking like something designed by nature itself. This is a truly classic design, a design that stands the test of time. The overall profile and gesture of the Cat body are similar to that of a real cat. Like when you see a cat ready to jump, it's sort of sat there and it pounces. That effect is what inspires us. And it fits that Cat effect with the name of the car, fits with the headlamps. We also have integrated here on this new model the dark night wheels. So a dark appearance to the wheels, complemented by these sporty yellow brake calipers. To avoid disturbing the integrity of the rear clean, we have kept the rear of the car completely clean. We've integrated the taillights into the rear window. Very distinctive, unique on the market. The LED lamps also have a way of having an animated effect. Let's take a look at the color options we have on this car. When defining the colors, we don't merely want to paint the car in a color, but rather hope that it can carry memories, evoke emotions. This blue here, we call it Kingfisher blue, and it is inspired by the kingfisher feathers. And this one over here, the volcanic grey, the inspiration really comes from the rocks of the Tahiti Islands. It's also a beautiful color, one of my favorites. Additionally, we have 4 colors. We have emerald green, we have angel pink, we have celadon jade, and pearl white. It is also important to mention that we pay particular attention to the craftsmanship of our paint process. The outer layers of the paint resin can resist minor scratching and have a chemical self-healing effect. Another aspect of the rounded body is that it offers a very strong technical structure, which makes a very safe vehicle, and the passengers can be reassured of this and feel relaxed when they're entering the cabin. It's a very comfortable interior. Like the exterior, we have rounded shapes and have integrated user-friendly materials. We have designed the interior based on the user's visual and tactile experience, simplifying the complex. The first and most significant change is the central display, which is the most significant. This is 14 by 6 inch by 10.25. So it's super large. It's equipped with the most advanced in-vehicle system of our Great Wall Motors group. When it comes to interaction, the classic central control lever is inspired by buttons of orchestral instruments. The delicate mechanical feeling is conveyed to you by every touch of your fingers. When pressing the buttons, they give a really nice tactile feedback, a feeling of precision and luxury. It's like integrating art and technology. The steering wheel is also new, with integrated buttons that work perfectly with the new system. For the color of the interior, on this car we have a turquoise and cream option, which is inspired by a classic Chinese painting. And on the other hand, we have here the combination of brown and cream, inspired by the famous Xianhua Xinyu Tu. We are committed to turning Good Cat into a classic timeless series that can be constantly renewed. It is unique. It's not merely a car, it is a fashion item. It's a perfect item for your life. It's emotional, and it can support you, and it's an intelligent companion. So now I'm going to hand over to Mr. Liu, who's going to introduce you more details about this car.
The 2025 Great Wall ORA Funky Cat brings a fresh twist to the compact electric vehicle market. It stands out with its retro-futuristic design, giving off strong vibes of the classic Mini and Volkswagen Beetle, but with a quirky, playful edge. Circular headlights, smooth curves, and a tidy footprint make it feel approachable and stylish. While it still goes by Funky Cat in some regions, many markets now refer to it as the ORA 03 as part of Great Wall Motors' new unified naming strategy. What sets the ORA Funky Cat apart is how it mixes personality with practicality. It is not trying to be the fastest or most luxurious, but it makes daily driving more fun. The base model comes with a 143 horsepower electric motor, while the GT and First Edition variants boost that to 171 horsepower. Acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour comes in around 8.3 seconds, making it zippy enough for city driving and even comfortable highway cruising. Battery options include a 48 kilowatt-hour pack with a range of approximately 320 kilometers based on the WLTP cycle. Some higher-end versions offer a 63 kilowatt-hour battery that pushes the range past 400 kilometers. Charging is flexible too, with alternating current and direct current capabilities, giving you options whether at home or at a public fast charger. The interior is equally charming. A dual-screen setup dominates the dashboard, providing digital driver information and infotainment in a clean, intuitive format. Materials feel upmarket, especially for the price point. Safety is taken seriously, with advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking included as standard in most trims. In a world flooded with serious, high-performance electric vehicles, the ORA Funky Cat brings a breath of fresh air. It is a car for people who want something expressive, efficient, and fun. Great Wall Motors is also working hard to improve support in international markets, adding confidence to ownership. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more unique electric vehicles like this one.